Hello and welcome to this crazy other channel. On this channel, you'll see wood turning, amongst other things, and you'll see woodworking, including knife working. Also, I do other kinds of things like leatherworking. Also, I do whatever the hell I want. So, soap making, some chemistry behind wood, other things. This is my workshop, my work shirt, and all my mess. My tool wall, my plane wall, and my beloved little lathe, my sharpening stand. All the things you see, the tables and so on, I've built myself through, well, reused material. I try in general to buy as little new tools as possible and just reuse whatever I find. I hope you guys will enjoy watching the content on this channel and enjoying the mess of things I have around and all the different projects I do. I hope you will be joining me in the future and have an amazing day.